Discover the Creality CR-Scan Otter Lite, a powerful next-generation handheld 3D scanner designed for creators, engineers, designers, manufacturers, educators, artists, and 3D printing enthusiasts who require professional-level scanning with exceptional accuracy, portability, and ease of use. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the Creality CR-Scan Otter Lite and explore its advanced features, including ultra-high precision scanning, wireless connectivity through the scan bridge, vibrant 24-bit full-color capture, and intelligent tracking technology that makes digitizing real-world objects faster and more accurate than ever before. Whether you're working on reverse engineering, product design, quality inspection, digital archiving, cultural heritage preservation, automotive restoration, medical applications, or preparing models for 3D printing, the CR-Scan Otter Lite delivers outstanding performance for a wide range of professional and creative projects. With an impressive scanning accuracy of up to 0.05 millimeters. The scanner captures intricate details, fine textures, and complex geometries with exceptional precision. From small mechanical components to sculptures, consumer products, and medium-sized objects, every scan is reproduced with remarkable clarity. Key features: professional handheld 3D scanner, up to 0.05 mm scanning accuracy, wireless scan bridge connectivity, 24-bit full-color texture capture, high-resolution geometry acquisition, lightweight and portable design, fast and efficient scanning performance, reverse engineering support, product design and development, quality inspection applications, industrial measurement workflows, ready for 3D printing, excellent object tracking, high-detail digital model creation, user-friendly scanning software, compatible with CAD and 3D modeling software, suitable for engineering, manufacturing, education, and design, stable and reliable scanning performance, easy workflow for beginners and professionals, professional-grade digital capture solution. The optional wireless scan bridge enhances mobility by allowing users to scan without being tethered to a computer, making the CR-Scan Otter Lite an ideal solution for fieldwork, workshops, museums, classrooms, and industrial environments where flexibility is essential. The integrated 24-bit color camera captures realistic textures and vibrant colors, producing digital models that are ideal for visualization, animation, virtual reality, product presentations, digital preservation, and creative content production. Its ergonomic handheld design ensures comfortable operation during extended scanning sessions, while intelligent tracking technology helps maintain smooth and stable data capture with minimal interruptions. Designed for both beginners and professionals, the CR-Scan Otter Lite offers an efficient workflow that simplifies the scanning process while maintaining the high level of precision required for demanding engineering and manufacturing applications. Whether you're an engineer, product designer, educator, manufacturer, automotive specialist, museum curator, digital artist, or maker, the Creality CR-Scan Otter Lite provides the speed, flexibility, and accuracy needed to transform physical objects into highly detailed digital models. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in 3D scanners, 3D printers, reverse engineering, digital manufacturing, additive manufacturing, and professional 3D technology.